Welcome to 24745 Nottingham Circle, located in Hockley, where country living is just minutes away from shopping and dining. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home is custom built and sits on a large 1.4 acre lot. As you approach the home, you notice this home is handicap accessible. Let's take a look inside. As you enter the home, you are greeted with an open floor plan and wood flooring. The gourmet chef's kitchen features granite countertops and handcrafted cabinetry. The home is also set up with a water softener system. The master bedroom is spacious and has enough room to make this your own personal oasis. Step outside onto your large open lot. With a space like this, the opportunities are endless. And call the Seth brothers today, because this could be your next home.